Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you feel your Outlook is not working properly or this kind of error showing on your Outlook related database, for example, it's related to profile or it's related to database. So I'll show you a tip. It may be helpful for you. First of all, open your Outlook. Sorry, close your Outlook. Quit the Outlook application and go to the Go menu. Then applications, you have to find the Outlook application. Right click on this Outlook app and click show package contents. This a new window will be open. Click on contents. Here is last one called shared support. When you click on share support, a Outlook profile manager will be show up here. Just open this Outlook profile manager by using double click. A new window will be open related to Outlook profile. So here is two profiles set. In my scenario, I'm going to create a new profile. Just click on the plus button and the name of the profile, like I'm going to set the new profile 2, and you have to set this profile as default. Right click on this profile and set it default. So the new profile 2 has been set by default. You can delete the old profile later. First of all, you have to check the problem is solved or not. If the problem is fixed, then you might need to delete this profile. I'm going to close this tab and I'm going to open the Outlook application again. A new profile has been added. My email will be retrieved shortly. Trust me, your email will be not deleted. Everything will be the same. A new profile has been set. So you can create a new profile to fix this type of error. So next, if you want to delete the other profiles, just close or leave this Outlook. Same, go to Go menu, then applications, locate the Outlook app, right click on it, show package contents, again contents, shared support, and open this Outlook profile manager. So I just have add this profile called new profile 2, and I'm going to delete the main profile. Yes, same other profile. So currently I have just only one profile called new profile or something else. So close this tab again, and quit the Outlook and reopen to check everything is okay. Now you can see Outlook Microsoft Outlook has been working fine. I want to show you I have Microsoft Outlook 2000 version 16, and my operating system is Mac OS Ventura 13.2.1. Okay, so this trick will be might be helpful for you. If you like, please do like and sub button. Thank you so much for watching.